Hello viewers, how are you all? Hope you peoples are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life. Always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video new outstanding plus size women and new short pixie haircuts. Today you will see in this videos women short pixie haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, before and after haircuts designs. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. So guys, I must suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. Today you will see in this videos new outstanding short haircuts, bob haircuts, front and back and sided pose bob haircuts images. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new outstanding bob haircuts images. If you are a businesswoman or a housewife, this getup is look very great and very beautiful for you guys. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media account. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download my videos. And you like this one haircuts images, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. I always try to bring new stylish different haircuts designs. This is very beautiful and stylish haircuts designs, new outstanding videos. So dear viewers, dear friend and dear subscriber, today you will see in this videos new outstanding haircuts designs, new stylish haircuts images. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel. These are all my favorite collections. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, watch my videos. I will meet you in next video. So take care friends. Allah.